The 31 ants marching in a line, 32 cats play with yarn so bright, 33 birds singing feeling fine, 34 dogs barking a lively sight, 35 fish swimming in the sea, 36 bees buzzing around a tree, 37 ducks quacking splashing near, 38 frogs jumping full of cheer, 39 cows grazing in the field, 40 horses running, the joy they yield. 31 ants marching in a line, 32 cats play with yarn so bright, 33 birds singing feeling fine, 34 dogs barking a lively sight, 35 fish swimming in the sea, 36 bees buzzing around a tree, 37 ducks quacking splashing near, 38 frogs jumping full of cheer, 39 cows grazing in the field, 40 horses running, the joy they yield.
Subscribe K for Kids World YouTube channel for more educational videos for kids.